Friends, welcome to my channel Ayurveda and your health. Friends, today in this video I am going to tell you something about Triphala. What is Triphala named Nectar and simple way to make it at home. How you can make Triphala at home. Triphala is also available in the market, but in the market some chemicals are mixed in it, so it does not give you proper nutrition. It does not, you don't get proper effect, you don't get proper medicinal properties from this. So if you want to make this Triphala at home, I will tell you which three things are needed to make it at home and how you can make it and in what quantity you have to use it daily. Three things which you needed to make this Triphala at home is harad, baheda and amla. When you mix these three things, when you make a powder from these three things, very beneficial properties it has. It wards off digestive problems. Not only this, it acts as a detoxifier, it improves your eyesight, it improves your blood circulation, your immunity is also boosted, it reduces inflammation, heals wounds quicker, it relieves bone and joint pain, it removes excess fat and aids weight loss. Not only this, it is very rich in nutrients. It has anti-allergic properties, it prevents cancer, it is very good for diabetes, and it is also very good for babies. It helps in regulating your hormonal imbalances. Now in this video I will tell you how you can make in this powder at home. The ratio which you needed is 1 to 4. Harad 1, baheda 2 and amla 4. If you are taking 100 grams of harad, you have to take 200 grams of baheda and 400 grams of amla. But in the markets which you when you buy this Triphala churn or when you buy these Triphala tablets, the ratio is 1:1:1:1, because if you are using it as a medicine you have to take in 1:1:1. But if you are making this powder at home and you have to use it regularly just for your immunity to be strong, just for your health care, you have to take 1:2:4. Not only this, the Acharya Sharangdhar, he has also told that if you have to take it for medicinal properties, ratio should be 1:1:1, and for normal use you can take it 1:4 ratio. And how you have to make it? You have to mix it, three things, harad, baheda and amla. Then you can made it in a powder form. After making it in a powder form, you can take a cotton cloth and you can get the powder, and all the impurities which come above you can throw it off. After that I will tell you what ratio, in which ratio, in what quantity you have to take it. Dose which of this Triphala churn which you have make, you have to take it from 5 grams to 10 grams. You cannot take more than 10 grams per day. If you are using it for 2 times twice a day, in the morning and in the evening, you can take 5 grams in the morning and 5 grams in the evening. By taking it in morning, it acts as a nutritious, it is acting as a nutritious value, it has very nutritious value. But when you take it in the night, it acts as a laxative. If you are having a problem of constipation, take it at night and you will see that in the morning your constipation will be gone. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Ayurveda and your health. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you friends.